I'll guide you through adding a card to Google Pay without running into common verification errors or security blocks. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Launch the official Google Wallet app from the Play Store or App Store to ensure you are using a secure, verified version for your financial data. At the bottom right of the screen, tap the Add to Wallet button to begin the official process of digitizing your physical cards. Select Payment Card and then New Credit or Debit Card. Within the camera frame that appears, position your card to scan the details automatically or enter them manually to ensure every digit and security code is perfectly accurate. Tap Save and select Accept on the issuer's terms to authorize the legal payment agreement between your bank and Google. Choose your preferred verification method, such as a text message code or signing directly into your bank's app to complete the final security step and confirm your identity. Once confirmed, your card enables secure contactless payments in stores, easy online checkouts, and peer-to-peer transfers. To set your newly added card as the default for Tap to Pay, tap on it and navigate to its settings. Then select Make Default for Tap to Pay to ensure this card is charged automatically whenever you hold your phone to a terminal. To manage your card details, billing address, or keep your account information up to date directly within the app settings, tap your profile icon and select Wallet Settings to access your Google Payments profile and edit your stored information. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.